Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog session. Well, I'm Frecko, and today I'm on a mission. The mission is to find my lost GoPro. Where? In Kopangan, Thailand. We're in Thailand, exactly at this waterfall called Thong Nai Pan Waterfall. Hopefully I'm gonna find it, and if I find my GoPro, I'm gonna post an amazing vlog about this. So the story is, the last time I came here, it was 1.5 days back, evening. I jumped right from this point down here, and my GoPro went down, and I looked it for a long time. I couldn't find, but I come here again, and I have 4 hours to do this job. Hey guys, this is not a normal day in life. This is an adventure day. First things first. So for my mission, I made a little bit of preparation. A friend of mine offered to help me with her snorkel set. He's gonna help me to look inside. And now, the second part is learning how to use the snorkel.
Well, I doubted if the GoPro would still be alive. It was easy to give up snorkeling.
I can't help it. I need to do free diving. This is not helping. No. This is not helping. The snorkel. I'm not very good at it. So nail this.
I gave up. I was trying to look for more ideas. I still had swimming glasses from a friend.
This can help, but it's gonna take some time to get used to it. Till then, I'm gonna look for the second trip, the woods. So here I'm trying to calculate. Check this out. This is the waterfall, one in here, and there is an embankment. How high is this embankment? This will be, from my estimate, if the water is coming, if there was no this bank, the water will come there and fall like this. The maximum depth at the bottom of this bank. Could be super nice, if I meet some swimmers here.
The base was rocky on the edges and dropped suddenly. I had no idea how deep.
Maybe I have some help. There are some people walking.
I was wishing for help, and out of nowhere, meet Lena and Kate, my saviors for that day.
I'm very happy to see you guys. Maybe this will help.
Well, honestly, I'm not so good at swimming, and I was really happy to see these guys here. I showed them exactly where and how it felt.
There's a pipe here.
Kate was really trying to help, but the odds were against us. The waterfall was too deep.
I'm a little bit brave now because you're here.
Yeah, and also not a good swimmer, but I'm trying it,
Yeah. Now the next mission is I'm going to try to find a stone so that I can sink down in the water.
I know it was a foolery. I thought maybe the stone will help, but not really. Hopeless efforts. I kept swimming, trying to find. Hours passed.
This technique is also not working, guys. So now I'm gonna use a third technique. The third technique is going with the glasses inside with a long stick. Let's check this out.
I went around in the jungle and found a long bamboo stick. Surprise! I think they were ready to go, but seeing my struggle, Kate decided to come and help again. But nothing seemed to work. They kept on trying.
Is that right? Is that right?
You are going.
It was soup. I had to look for, but it was good. I was on the ground. I was on the ground.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Wow!
Hope was coming back. She had seen a black strap in the water. And sometimes hope is just hope.
Here, baby. I don't know. This is the right time?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to go here. Hey, I don't know.
Yeah, it's a black tie. 100% a black tie. Okay.
She tried a lot.
Okay.
We tried a lot.
Oh. That's all. I don't know.
You good? You sorry?
I don't know. Let's look out.
Yes. You walk around today.
It's too close to work. We have to put it off.
Okay.
I think we had gotten quite close. We had located the GoPro.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
And then finally, after 4 hours of grueling attempts,
Oh my God! Oh my God! Whoa! Got it, baby! Fucking GoPro.
the GoPro was a gift. I told them we were being filmed.
Yeah! Fucking brand new win in life, guys. And so, guys, here our water adventure comes to an end. The waterfall is here. You have to take yourself. So this is the best spot. This part is so beautiful. Wow!
And then we enjoyed the waterfalls like new adventurers. My mission was a success. Now I'm keeping my promise.